This is a simple fish-shaped zipper coin purse that is a great project for using up those small scraps of fabric that you have left over. You can download the free pattern for this by following the link in the description below and then follow along with the step-by-step tutorial. To start with, you want to arrange your fabric scraps, line them up however you like, and then sew them together. You just need to be sure that there's enough to cut out your fish pattern twice. Once sewn together, cut out your fish pattern for the front and back of the fish zipper pouch. Now you want to get the zipper band ready. Fold over 1/2 inch of the zipper band and top stitch it to both sides of the zipper. It's okay if the zipper is longer than the band, you can trim it later. Now you want to sew the band to the zipper with right sides together to create a loop. Sew the front and back of the fish to the side band with right sides together. You want to make sure the zipper is open when you do this, because next you will be turning the fish pouch to the right side through that zipper. And that's it, you are finished. Press your seams and you'll have a cute fish zipper pouch.